everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in ages, but I'm doing one, and this is my favorite like kind of summer like foundation video, because I just like to use these two concealers for my like base or foundation bit, and I just like the way it looks, and I like it's like a natural-ish makeup tutorial, I guess. I don't know what I'm calling it. I just filmed it on the whim because I was just really in the mood to film something, and I just really like the way my makeup came out, and this bold lip, and just, I don't know, I just really love it. But if you want to see how I did my face, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do first, like always, I'm just going to put on my all-time favorite primer. I've been using this since I got it, and I honestly just love it. And I do it the same way all the time, just like this. I filmed a video like 2 weeks ago, and I didn't like the way it came out, and that hasn't happened to me in a long time. I'm just gonna work that into my skin. Look, it's tacky, but anyways, yeah, I was just doing a get ready video with me, and I just don't like the angle I had the camera. I don't know, I didn't like it. Let me put some chapstick on my lips because I'm gonna do a red lip with a red lip, or I might do like a hot pink lip. I don't know which lip, I just want to do like a bold lip. I'm gonna let that get tacky a little bit. I did like a full face makeup with the Jouer foundation and the Maybelline Glow foundation, and I liked it, but like the next day I just did this makeup look, which is the concealers, but just these two concealers, and I just loved the way it looked. It looked so good, and it was just easy, and I really liked it. So I decided that I'm gonna do a video like I'm doing now, showing how I do it, and it's very simple. I'm using my beauty blender. So the ones that I have are medium light in the Tarte. They're both Tarte shape foundation. Tarte shape concealers. I have medium light and I have fair neutral. And I noticed that when I was doing the Jouer, I don't know why I talk with my hand a lot. When I was doing the Jouer foundation and the Maybelline foundation, I don't think I have it here. When I was doing the Maybelline foundation, I just felt like I looked a lot darker. And I'm not that tan. I'm pretty light right now, and I feel like these two combinations actually it looked more like my skin. What I do is I'm gonna get the light medium first, and I just go like this. So then I need to deafen this again. I feel like it's a little too dry. Just get my beauty blender, my beauty sponge or whatever, and I just like blend out that concealer. I just like the finish because it's really lightweight. I feel like sometimes I could feel the Jouer foundation on my face. I don't know, I just been having a really hard time finding a good shade, because like even my Cosmetics foundation that I love, it's just not the right color anymore, right? Simple as that. Just this concealer all over my face, and I think this is a good, for me personally, this is like a good, I have concealer in my hair, oh my god. But I just feel like this is a good foundation substitute for me because it's so lightweight, and in California where I live, it's just so bloody hot. And yeah. And I just like to brighten up my face with the lighter concealer. And I realized that I have so much texture that every time I bake, it just does not come out that great. Okay, I'm just getting a little bit of translucent powder, and I want to set my concealer. I'm actually doing a light dusting around my eyes and my nose. I'm literally just like picking up like the leftover that I patted out. Recently, honestly, I've been loving a very simple eye look. I don't know why, but honestly I think that's like my favorite. So I'm just gonna get Era and Patina and mixed the two together. And I dropped an eyeshadow. Son of a Flanders, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease with a Morphe brush. Blend it to my brow. I'm using that same brush, and I'm gonna take Gala from the Pure palette, the Pure Diaries, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well with the same brush. It's just easy. I'm gonna take a little bit of Splurge from that palette. It's this shade here. And I'm just gonna work that in with a 217 brush. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get this Ace Beauty palette. I'm gonna mix these two colors from that palette together. So I just do it with my finger because it's just easier that way. I get lazy sometimes and I just try to do my makeup in a rush, and I just use my finger. Just taking a blending brush and just blending out those two shadows that I put on my lid. You know what? I'm going to take my bronzing palette. I'm going to get a wee bit of Hoola, and I'm going to just put it in my crease. Just to because I don't know, this needs something. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette with that same brush, and I'm gonna pick up a little bit of, let's just say this color right here. Don't know the name of it. I'll put that in this bit. I don't know what this bit's called. Well, I'm gonna put it here. I'm actually gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using just this regular, it's called Hank and Henry eyeliner. Regular eyeliner. It's just very simple for me. So I'm gonna let my eyeliner dry. I wanna do my eyebrows, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this Anastasia brow gel in dark brown. And what I like to do first is just, I like to just put this on because my eyebrows are just naturally full and dark. So I just like to do this first, and then like I want to pencil it in like above my arch just to make my arch more defined. I'm going to take the Anastasia Sugar Kick Glow palette and mix Marshmallow and Starburst, these two, with this brush from Morphe, and 501. And I am going to put the highlight on first. Why? I don't know, I've just been doing it like that lately. Take my beauty sponge, beauty blender, wherever you have, just blend it out. I am gonna use the same palette, but I'm just gonna take Marshmallow, which is this shade here. I love these little brushes that I got from the Anastasia palettes. I just think they're just so perfect to like highlight. I'm gonna take my bronzer. I mix Hoola and Hoola Light together. I don't know, I just do. Just put it on my cheeks, like so. Any blusher would work. I just like this blusher. It's pretty. I think it's pretty. Now I'm gonna throw on some mascara. I'm actually gonna put some makeup on my lower lash line, like eyeshadows on the lower lash line. I think I might just pop in, I might do this dark green color here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna pick some of that up. I'm gonna put it under my lower lash line. Okay, hair's down, right? You know we're close to the end. Hair's down. Eyelashes are on. I'm using the Noir Fairy Light from Hassel Lashes. They actually sell these at Target. Now I'm wearing them, but this is what the box looks like. They're actually quite comfortable. I don't wear eyelashes a lot anymore, but I am going to use the MAC lipstick called All Fired Up. It's like a hot pink color. Yes, this is the finished look, and I just love doing looks like this because I feel like they're so wearable, and I feel like you could keep up with the trend, but I don't really like keeping up with trends sometimes. Sometimes I do, but not all the time. Depends on the mood I'm in. But I just love like the natural-ish makeup with bold lip and beautiful lashes, and just, you know, it's just highlighted nicely, bronzed nicely, and all that stuff. And this is what I like to wear during the summertime. I was actually doing it last year too, and I just completely forgot. Yeah, this is just, I don't know. I really didn't like this look. I hope you guys like this look too. And if you have anything you want me to review or try, you want me to do something fun, you want me to do a cooking something, I don't know, want me to do a mukbang, let me know. Let me know your ideas in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about me so we can all be friends. And until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye!